Hello and welcome again to the Company Interiors channel. We're a channel dedicated to the working environment, and we're here to give you tips and hints on ways to improve your working environment, your office interior improvements. So in today's video we want to talk about office ergonomics, ways that you need to set up your working environment to improve your health and well-being. So let's go straight to the video. I hope it's of interest to you, and if it is, I hope you can subscribe. We're trying to encourage movement. That is what we need. We need the circulation in our body to be improved. That is how that we will have our health and well-being. That is what we are ultimately aiming for. So the task chair, this is an ECOFLEX, fantastic product from Senator, one of the best operators chairs I've come across in my lifetime in the industry. So we're looking at a mesh system, a breathable back fabric, so that can create a nice cooling effect on our muscles and on our back. We have a seat slide operation, very important to get the seat slide correct, so that the seat is fitting nicely behind your knees and your knees are at right angles. Ultimately what we're trying to do is we're trying to create right angles everywhere. So we want our arms at right angles to the work surface. We can do that by achieving up and down movement of the arms, or folding them all the way down if we want to slide straight into the work surface. So get those up at the heights that we want to. We've got adjustment on the side here, which is a seat rake. This is the adjustment that we can move backwards and forwards. We've got movement, that is what we're looking for. Or again, if we want to make that change during the day, lock it into position. It does help when you have also got height adjustability in your desk. This particular product is an electric change of height, sit, stand, so we have the option to stand if we want to. Again, just improving movement. So get that at right angles, get the keyboard at the correct distance from your area, and then you are sitting comfortably.